Part of my tavern wall is feeling a little bit empty, so let's make something to hang there. So I was scrolling through Pinterest when I saw some moss frame decor, and I thought, how hard could it be to make these? And turns out it wasn't very hard at all. So I started by painting the back of a wooden canvas with a dark stain, and my greenery consisted of moss and fake succulents that I got on sale at the craft store. I attached it all with hot glue. I didn't really have a design in mind, so I kind of just went for it. I wanted some of the parts to be a bit more raised than others and some colors to look like they were winding through the canvas, but I mainly used reference pictures from Pinterest here. After I finished putting all the moss on, I then glued in some of the fake succulents and then it was done. I also made a second smaller one. These each probably took me around 30 minutes to complete. It was a pretty simple version of the frames I saw, but a really easy craft overall. I think they go really well with the backdrop and definitely help fill out the blank space, but I still feel like I could add a bit more, so let me know if you have any ideas for what else I can make.